Eric, we're Radiator Grille store here doing an install on the G87 M2. We're going to be putting in our front 5-piece grills right through here. And they go in as simple as this. Come on up, align it, snap in, get your next piece, snap in, next piece, snap in. You got your smaller pieces, snap right in. You can find these products and more at radiatorgrillstore.com.